Effective Facebook Marketing. This PLR is the ultimate solution for social media marketers. Here's your ticket to acquiring the premier done-for-you Facebook marketing product, loaded with dynamic techniques that will revolutionize your client's engagement. Why grab this PLR package today? A never-seen-before, 100% done-for-you package ready to resell, properly researched hot niche selling like pancakes. We've done the research. Fully integrated sales funnel with all sales material. Just push a button and sell, slap your name on it and claim it as your own. Grab all high-quality content for your ebook, blog, or articles, or sell it and keep all profits. Without all the hard work, finally, build your buyer's list effortlessly. Amidst the hustle and bustle, maintain inner tranquility with our Facebook marketing. From Nessim, do you find yourself swept up in the frantic pace of today's digital world, constantly racing against the clock, but always feeling a step behind? Have you observed a select few who navigate the realm of Facebook marketing with calm confidence, achieving their goals with strategic precision, and wondered what their secret might be? Are you on the lookout for a way to escape the constant noise and hustle, eager to uncover a pathway to Facebook marketing success without sacrificing your peace of mind? Rest assured, you're not alone in this quest. In an age where the hustle is celebrated and tranquility often disregarded, many crave a moment of pause, unaware that it holds the key to unlocking a higher level of Facebook marketing success. The secret to this transformative approach: effective Facebook marketing. Finding success through Facebook marketing doesn't mean stepping away from your ambitions or reducing your goals. Facebook can make educated guesses as to what your interests are and can then show you advertising that fits those interests. This is not lightweight targeting, mind you. You really cannot afford to miss out on Facebook and its marketing potential. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand Facebook marketing. You will learn to identify common Facebook marketing mistakes. You will understand Facebook in terms of efficiency, effectiveness, and return on investment. You can begin to figure out the industry standard look, content strategy, and other elements. You are going to learn the best ways to promote on Facebook. Unleash the potential of effective Facebook marketing. Explore a comprehensive array of indispensable topics that will revolutionize your approach to Facebook marketing. Understanding the criticality of staying relevant in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Unveiling the scientific foundations behind the efficacy of Facebook marketing for business growth, combating the detrimental impact of inconsistency on your marketing creativity and performance, harnessing the profound influence of strategic Facebook marketing to achieve unparalleled success, implementing practical, actionable strategies to integrate Facebook marketing seamlessly into your daily operations, overcoming common hurdles and challenges encountered in mastering the art of Facebook marketing, realizing the long-term rewards of strategic Facebook marketing efforts for sustained business success, witnessing tangible results and milestones derived from adeptly leveraging Facebook marketing strategies, emphasizing the significance of relevance in driving personal and professional advancement, navigating the diverse levels of relevance and their profound implications on individual and collective progress, embracing the transformative power of strategic Facebook marketing in enhancing cognitive clarity and emotional stability, balancing proactive engagement with moments of strategic reflection and analysis for optimal outcomes, amplifying your creative prowess and strategic acumen through adept Facebook marketing practices, cultivating resilience and fortitude in your marketing endeavors through purposeful, targeted approaches, embracing the transformative potential of mindfulness and focused attention in mastering Facebook marketing strategies, equipping yourself with the tools and insights to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape with confidence and poise. Plus, you can even sell it as your own and keep 100% profit. And I'm offering you more than just content. I'm going to give you a full-blown product that you can launch right away and profit. So dear friends, if you want to know more and buy this, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.